What's up, everybody? I'm Blair with the Kings Bay, and we are coming to you today from our warehouse here in Hardeeville, South Carolina. So that's why you're going to hear the nail gun in the back and the grinding wheel over on this side, and you might even see a freight truck go by with another delivery. But today I want to show you some of the vintage reproduction wrought iron furniture that we carry. These make great additions to your garden, to your porch, outdoors in your yard. It's not a truck, but it is a car. We take these and we can offer you custom colors. Just shoot me an email and I can do it in red, blue, yellow. We've done several of these for a couple movies you may have seen. But what's special about these is they're made from aluminum alloy, which means they are non-rust. Also, they are a quarter of the weight of traditional wrought iron. This is something that you can put on your porch, you can slide around, you can move around without breaking a sweat, but it's also heavy enough that if, like me here in South Carolina, a hurricane is not going to blow it away. Stiff wind will not knock it over, and it's something that's going to add heft to your outdoor living area. Be sure to check the link below to see the guide that we just wrote on outdoor benches, and we're going to take you through some that we sell. Thanks a lot for checking in with thekingsbay.com.
thekingsbay.com.